Good performance is critical to the success of many games. There are a lot of topics to cover in the performance section. A complete course can be created on the performance topic. For now, I will guide you with the simple but core tips to enhance the speed of the game. Instead of searching the game object with the name, we should use tags in the Unity. For that, we can use find game object with tag, and in the parameter just give the name of the tag. Using the inspector window, we will create a new tag and we will assign that tag to the game object. In our case, we will be assigning a tag to AR session origin. Click on the AR session origin. From the inspector panel, click on list of tags and click on add new. And here we can add a new tag. I'm adding a AR session origin. And these are the custom tags added by us. By default, already Unity have few tags like a main camera tag. Now open the list of tags and select AR session origin. Now we have assigned the AR session origin tag to the AR session game object. And next, instead of using the get component directly, we will be using a try get component. And here is the syntax of try get component. Okay, type out and rigid body. Rigid body is the component we want to retrieve, and in the rigid it will holding the component and we will access the rigid body properties in rigid. So basically try get component will attempt to retrieve the component of given type, and the noticeable difference compared to game object.get component is that this method does not allocate in the editor when the request component does not exist. And now for dart throw point, instead of using the find method, we will use the find game object with tag, just the same as we did for AR session origin. Add the tag in the tag manager and assign that tag to the game object. And at the runtime, to search the game object with the tag, we use a find game object with tag method. And here we are testing the build just to see everything is working fine. And definitely these tips has enhanced the performance, and for big project they have a very big impact. And in the next lecture on the screen we will display the player distance from the dartboard. By this we can implement a game rule to restrict the player at specific distance. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next lecture.